Hello art enthusiasts, today we're diving into the vibrant world of the AROIC Watercolor Paint Set, a perfect companion for beginners, children, and art lovers alike, featuring a stunning array of 36 bright and beautiful colors that cater to your every creative need. This set comes with a durable plastic case, making it easy to store and transport your artistic tools wherever your inspiration takes you. Accompanying the rich palette is a set of 10 high-quality brushes, each independently packaged and designed with strong anti-shedding bristles, rust-proof nickel ferrules, and sturdy wooden handles, allowing you to capture every detail with precision. Safety is a top priority, and you can paint with peace of mind knowing that these watercolor pigments are non-toxic and free from harmful substances. Whether you're painting at home or on the go, this set offers the convenience and versatility to create your masterpiece anywhere. And remember, if you encounter any quality issues, AROIC provides dedicated one-on-one customer service to ensure your satisfaction. So, unleash your creativity and let the AROIC Watercolor Paint Set be your gateway to a world of artistic expression. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.